Bonjour mes étudiants, comment allez-vous? Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre comment est-ce qu'on peut demander des questions en français. So, good morning. Today, we're going to learn how we can ask questions in French. So, there are some words we're going to learn them. Then afterward, I will be making you understand how we can use these words for creating different questions. So, first one is combien. Combien. Combien means how much and how many. In English, we can use for both of the things. Like suppose that we need to ask that how many, then we'll be using combien. For example, if I need to ask that how many person are there in the room, so I will be using this word combien personnes il y a dans cette salle, like this. So this word can be used for how much and how many in English. And the second one is comment. Comment. Comment means how. Urdu में हम इसको कह सकते हैं कैसे. Comment. Comment. And normally this can mean also pardon, but very rarely. Suppose that if I ask you something and you are you are astonished, so you say comment ça se passe, how it is, how it's happened, like this. So this can be used in this sense also. And the third one is où. Où. And with this où, you can see that there is a small if I make this screen bigger, so you can see this is small sign. This is called accent grave. So this means where. Où. Où. और अगर ये U पे साइन ना हो और OU only, so फिर इसका मतलब हो जाएगा और, इंग्लिश का और, यानी OR. So où means where. उसके बाद pourquoi. Pourquoi. Pourquoi means why. Pourquoi. Pourquoi vous allez au cinéma? Why are you going to the cinema? Pour regarder le film or watching the film. So we can use this word for why. Quand. Quand means when. When. Quand. Then afterward, there are four quel. First one, all of them, first of all, all of them have the same pronunciation, like quel, 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 quel. But the first one, quel, will be used in front of singular, masculine singular noun. Second one will be used in front of feminine singular noun. The third one will be used for masculine plural. And the last one will be used for feminine plural. So, you know, the French is a gender language. I mean, each and everything is having its own gender. Like a table can be feminine, a glass can be male in French language. So that's why we have these four type of quel. So quel means which, and certain cases ये what के तौर पे भी इस्तेमाल हो सकता है. Quelle est votre adresse de votre maison? What is the address of your home? Quel est le numéro de votre téléphone? What is the number of your telephone? So we can use in sense of puzzle. Which, for example, you saw a film and in French you say, aujourd'hui j'ai regardé très bon film. Today I saw a very good film. So I can ask you, quel film, which film? So this means what and which as well, both. Then after, qu'est-ce qui? Qu'est-ce qui means who. Qu'est-ce qui? And qui actually meaning is who. This only qui can be used for who. इसी तरह नीचे que ce que, this means what. Qu'est-ce que, or sometime only que can be used for what. So it's depend on the sentence. So we will be learning how we can use all of this word in filling the right question words here. So just stay with me. And this one is qui, Q-U-I, qui. Qui means who. You can see they have given us separately. Quoi. Quoi means what. This can be used, suppose that you said something and I didn't listen it properly. So I can ask you, quoi did? What do you say? What did you say? वगैरह वगैरह. So quoi हम क्या और what के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद c'est quoi? What is this? What is it? C'est quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? So now let's see how we can use these words. So पहला वाला था combia, combia. Nasal sound is required here. Cumbia. So you need to learn how to fill in the right question word here. So you see it's written here tutapel, and now we need to figure out that which word is correct for these type of questions. So इसके लिए पहले आपको small questions को समझना होगा. Tutapel. So tutapel means you call yourself. So French में आपको नाम पूछने के लिए आपको एक वर्ड इसमें से तलाश करना है. Como is the right answer. So if I write this como here, COMME, como tu t'appelles. So this is correct French, and which means how do you call yourself? या आपका नाम क्या है? What is your name? And I remind you in this language we have some rules and regulation. अगर हम बड़े से बात कर रहे हैं, then we have to be respectful with him, so we should be using comment vous appelez-vous. So I can say that this comment tu t'appelles is a bit informal. It's informal way. जैसे हम किसी भी informal way means we can use it with the younger than us, or with our friends. जैसे हम कहते हैं तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, so we can use this sentence in French, and we can say comment tu t'appelles, comment tu t'appelles. And even the sequence of the word can be changed here, and we can write comment after all the sentence, both the words here. We can say tu t'appelles comment, इस तरह भी बोल सकते हैं. comment tu t'appelles comment. So हम इसको आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तो ये एक क्वेश्चन हो गया. उसके बाद आप सेकंड वर्ड तलाश करें, और सेकंड वर्ड में जो आपका क्वेश्चन है, it's about your age. So it's about your age, then you need to write this one. Quel âge as-tu? So ये एक fill in the blanks हो. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu means how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? So now I'm trying to put on the correct way. Comment tu t'appelles is done. Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? And second one is quel âge as-tu? अच्छा, अब देखें third one. So third one is about it's about living. So we need to understand the words also. Habite. Habite is a verb in French, which means to live. So we need to make a question actually. So here, où is a suitable one. Où. So if I copy and I paste it here, then it will be done. Où habites-tu? Now it's okay. Où habites-tu? Can you repeat with me? Où habites-tu? This means where do you live? And it's also an informal way because they use tu. Où habites-tu? Where do you live? Let's see number 4. Et la date de ton anniversaire. So here we need to write quel. And this time you need to have some knowledge about grammar. So the date is feminine words. That's why they use la. This is article, and this is according to the feminine gender because date is feminine. So here we need to put this one quel. Ye wala quel. So if I copy this one over here and I try to write it over here, I don't know what's the problem with this. So let's see like this. Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? So इसका मतलब है what is the date of your birthday? Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? Now let's see number 5. The frère et sœur. So here you are asked about your siblings, brother and sister. That how many brothers and sisters do you have? So यहाँ पर word how many की जरूरत पड़ेगी लिहाजा you can copy this combien. You paste it here. Combien de frères? Combien de frères? Let me fix it actually. Yeah. Combien de frères et sœurs as-tu? Repeat with me. Combien de frères et sœurs as-tu? How many brothers and sisters do you have? And it will be with do. It's a grammatical point. Do, so we'll explain in further movies, further videos. Now number 6. So number 6 is about France. You can see, and about there are some month, July and August, and this is the word which means going. So आपसे पूछा जाएगा when you are going in France, in July or in August. So here you can use this word quand. Quand means when. Quand. So I think this is the best one word. Let me copy this one word, and now you can see. Please ignore if you see the dots or some editing problem. Just learn. Quand vas-tu en France, en juillet ou en août? Can you repeat with me? Quand vas-tu en France? When you are going to France. En juillet, in July, ou en août? Or in August. So this is a question. कि आप कब France जा रहे हैं? जुलाई में या अगस्त में? Now let's see number 7. Tu vas faire. So this means you going to do. So qu'est-ce que? This word is suitable for this question, and it will make sense now. Let me pick here. Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Which means what are you going to do? आप क्या करने जा रहे हैं? Number 8. Let's see. Number 8. It's about buildings, monuments. Would you visit? It's about. So we can use quel monument veux-tu visiter? So this is the suitable word, I suppose. And you can write here. Quel monument veux-tu visiter? Now the question will make sense, and it will be meaning which monuments are you going to visit? Quel monument you can see, and veux-tu visiter? You want to visit. Now, va t'accompagner, this means who is going to accompany you? आपके साथ कौन जा रहा है? Who is going to give you a company? So here की, who की जरूरत है आपको यहाँ पर? की आपने word लिया. की va. Now it will make definitely a sense, but let me add it here. Sorry for the trouble you faced. की va t'accompagner, यानी आपके साथ कौन जा रहा है? Number 10. Allez-vous en train ou en car? यानी आप ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं या कार में? So comment word is suitable. Comment y allez-vous en train ou en car? How are you going to go over there? By car or by train? So you see, and y is used as a preposition for places here. Comment y allez-vous en train ou en car? Okay. And number 12. It's your preferred color. This is a question about your preferred color. So quelle est ta couleur préférée? So I can put this quelle because here color is feminine and singular. So we can write this quelle here. Quelle est ta couleur préférée? What is your preferred color? आपका पसंदीदा कलर कौन सा है? And now let's see how can we identify the questions. So here, what was the question actually? Je m'appelle Didier. This means my name is Didier. So of course, question will be comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Or if we are polite, then we can say Comment vous appelez-vous? The number 2 question is, j'ai 12 ans. I'm 12 years old. So the question can be, quel âge as-tu? Recall we learned right now, quel âge as-tu? I can understand that the editing is not good, but you can see here, quel âge as-tu? How old are you? J'ai un frère. This means I have a brother. Question can be, combien de frères? This one. Combien de frères et sœurs as-tu? How many siblings do you have? Number 4, mon anniversaire est le 2 août. So the related question is, quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? What is the date of your birthday? No. Number 5, j'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. So, question, où habitez-vous? Where do you live? This one here. Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? Où habitez-vous? Where do you live? J'habite à Paris. Number 6, ma matière préférée, c'est l'histoire. Ma matière préférée, c'est l'histoire. My preferred subject is history. So, number C, je vais à Londres de 15 au 21 juillet. I'm going to London from 15 to 21st July. J'y vais en avion. I'm going there by airplane. Number 9, j'y vais avec mes parents. I go there or I'm going there with my parents. On va visiter les musées. We're going to visit museum. On y va en avion. We're going to be in airplane parce que c'est plus rapide. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.